Hey Philly, we're gonna make a jerk turkey today using Grace's seasonings, sauces, and barbecue sauce. So stay tuned, you're gonna have the best Thanksgiving turkey you had this year. So the first thing we're gonna do is get some butter here, some nice fresh salted butter underneath the skin of the turkey. Put a couple pieces in, press it out. This is gonna keep your turkey nice and moist. Literally salsa our turkey. Remember, it's been brine already, so this is just for a little superstitious flavor. Dust our turkey with some black pepper. So with our all-purpose seasoning from Grace, nice full coating of the Grace all-purpose seasoning on your turkey. Gonna rub it in. Don't forget to get the inside of the turkey and the underneath with your seasoning up inside of the neck. Then we're gonna add our Grace honey jerk seasoning. Aromatic, soulful, authentically Jamaican. This honey jerk sauce smells delicious even as we're rubbing it onto the turkey. A little more Grace all-purpose seasoning, and we'll rub that on. Our all-purpose and our jerk seasoning, working it into the bird. Yeah, our turkey is ready to go in the oven. We're at 350 degrees, and we're gonna take the turkey and put it in the oven on the lower rack. And we're gonna let the turkey stay in there until it gets a nice golden brown. We'll check the internal temperature, maybe 145. All right, Grace fans, we've got the turkey ready to go in the oven. You could see the seasoning on there. You know, that's how I like it. We have our oven set to 350 degrees. We're gonna put the turkey in there for a couple of hours, let it get a nice golden brown, and then we'll check the internal temperature, 145. We'll take it out. We're gonna put some of the Grace barbecue sauce on there. It's smoky, sweet, and undeniably Jamaican. Mwah.